I used to spend hours in Excel, manually creating reports, fixing formulas, and trying to make sense of messy data. Then I discovered ChatGPT. At first, I just asked it to help fix my formulas, but soon, I was using it to write complex Excel logic, generate templates, and even explain pivot tables in simple words. It became my 24/7 Excel tutor, and it never gets tired. Here's how I use ChatGPT plus Excel to earn more in less time. When a client sends messy data, I ask ChatGPT how to clean it fast. When I need custom dashboards, I ask it for the formulas, step by step. And when I'm stuck, it gives me instant solutions, while others waste hours Googling. The best part? I don't have to be an Excel pro anymore. I just need to ask better questions. This combo lets me do work faster, offer more services, and take on more clients, all without burnout. So if you're trying to earn more, save time, or stand out at your job, use AI smartly, because in today's world, it's not about working harder. It's about working with tools that multiply your value.